So are you like me? You have a bunch of spray cans laying around your bench unorganized. What do? Well, you get some cardboard and a laser and you solve your problem. What am I talking about? Let's jump into this together and I'll share the solution with you. Welcome to this episode of DIY3DTech.com. In this episode of Design Talk, I'm going to share with you this simple laser cut design I came up with to help me organize some of the spray cans that I keep on my workbench. Now, one of the things, these typically sit around loose, unorganized, etc. And I wanted a way to kind of keep them together, keep them organized, but I didn't want to spend a lot of time or money doing it. So what did I do? I grabbed some old excess cardboard, get tons of this from Amazon boxes, and designed up a holder or organizer in Inkscape, sent it to Lightburn, and the rest is history. So what did I do? So I took some measurements of the can base with the calipers, and kind of long story short, they're 70 millimeters in diameter, which gives it plenty of room, and they all seem to average about the same. So what I did is I designed up basically 4 openings of 70 millimeters and just kind of aligned them in Inkscape, and then printed 2 with holes, 1 without holes, because the idea here that I want to do is simply keep them organized. So again, when I put them together like this, they sit in here. They don't move around, they're contained in this spot, and they have a home, and they're organized within this space. And then, kind of long story short, I'm just going to take some white glue or carpenter glue and glue these together. Also, in the last episode where I did something like this, somebody suggested spray glue. That also works. It's a little bit messier, but hey, it also serves the purpose. So I actually think this is really great from a reuse recycle perspective. So again, I get tons of cardboard in, and this came up with a real handy solution again to help me organize my workbench. Now, one of the things I probably will do is take some paint and paint it in the future when I get some time and go outside where I have some ventilation and do that. So one of the things on my list is to build a little bit of So one of the things on my to-do list is to build a small paint booth to paint this inside my shop. So it's a work in progress, so stay tuned for that. So hopefully you found it interesting. I'll put a link to this design if you're interested in doing it. Again, really simple. If you want to do more of these, you can. I did 2. Maybe 1 would even work to contain it, but as you can see, 2's more than enough to stabilize everything. So hopefully you found this video of interest and of value. If you did, hey, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe over there, swag shop up there, and we'll catch you in the next video where we design and laser cut or 3D print something very cool. Cheers.
Please click like below and subscribe to the channel.